Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of cumbersome streaming devices taking over your living room? Look no further than the Fire TV Stick HD, a game-changing solution that's about to revolutionize your entertainment experience. This tiny stick packs a punch, providing lightning-fast streaming and HD quality that will leave you mesmerized. With its incredibly portable design, you can take it anywhere, and its slim profile ensures it won't block other ports on your TV. The Fire TV Stick HD boasts an impressive array of features, including access to thousands of apps, such as Prime Video, Netflix, and YouTube, all in one place. The interface is incredibly user-friendly, making it easy to find what to watch from the hundreds of thousands of movies and TV episodes available. The device is also remarkably easy to set up, with a direct power feature that eliminates the need for a wall adapter, and the included Alexa voice remote allows for seamless control over your TV, soundbar, and receiver. This product has been extremely well reviewed by many customers who have purchased and fallen in love with it, and it's easy to see why. The Fire TV Stick HD offers a range of benefits, including its ability to provide smarter picks with Alexa, allowing you to find what you love with just the sound of your voice. The voice remote button is incredibly responsive, and the dedicated power and volume buttons make it easy to control your devices. Whether you're looking to stream your favorite shows, manage your smart home, or simply enjoy some music, the Fire TV Stick HD is the perfect solution. With its sleek design, impressive features, and ease of use, it's no wonder this device has become a staple in many living rooms, and it's sure to provide you with hours of entertainment and enjoyment. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.